In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find Redmi Airdots if lost. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Xiaomi earbuds or earphones application has a feature built into it that allows you to locate lost devices. So to use this feature, you must have previously connected your AirDots to the app. If you didn't use the application beforehand and you didn't connect the AirDots, then sadly, to my knowledge, you will not be able to locate them with ease. You will simply have to retrace your steps and physically look in places where you might have lost the AirDots. But if you have connected it previously, you will see the information about it connected, the battery levels, other information, and you should be able to find the option to find your earphones. If you don't see it here, just scroll down, and like I said, it is going to be available somewhere on its page. So open the Xiaomi earbuds or earphones app and look for this option underneath the device. Now, all that this is going to do is vibrate or play an alarm on the left and right earbuds. You can also play it on both. So tap on any of these buttons here, and a loud sound or a loud ringing will start playing on the AirPods or AirDots, which allows you to locate them with ease. Now, of course, this is going to be useful if they are nearby. If you lost them very far away, then sadly, to my knowledge, there isn't any feature that will help you in that case. They don't have any sort of GPS built into their hardware or software, so it is going to be impossible. You will just have to retrace your steps like I mentioned before. But if they are in close proximity, let's say for example you lost them inside your own house, maybe they fell besides some or between furniture and you need to locate them, this will be extremely useful. The loud ringing will help you pinpoint their actual location, and after it is done, you can stop the alarm. I hope I was able to help you on how to find Redmi Airdots if lost. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.